In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Discord microphone toggle mute key binding. This is really useful if you're in calls, gaming sessions, or meetings, and you want a quick way to mute and unmute yourself without having to fumble around with the mouse. Instead, you'll be able to tap a single key or key combination and instantly toggle your microphone on or off. First, open the Discord app on your computer. This process works best on the desktop version, not the mobile app, so make sure you're using Discord on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once Discord is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area with your avatar and username. Next to that, there's a small gear icon labeled User Settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your settings. Inside User Settings, you'll see a menu running down the left-hand side with a lot of different categories. Scroll down until you find the section called Keybinds. Click on Keybinds to open the key binding options. If you've never used this before, the list will probably be empty, and that's completely fine. Now, look for a button that says Add a Keybind. Click that, and a new keybind entry will appear. You'll see two main parts here, the action and the key combination. For the action, click on the drop-down menu and select Toggle Mute. This tells Discord that whenever you press your chosen key, it should switch your microphone between muted and unmuted, and it will stay that way until you press the key again. Next, click on the area that says Record Keybind. As soon as you click that, Discord will wait for you to press the key or combination you want to use. Press the key you'd like, for example, a function key, or a simple combination like Ctrl+M. Try to pick something that you don't normally use in games or other apps, so you don't mute yourself by accident. When you're happy with your choice, click Stop Recording. Your toggle mute keybind is now set. To test it, join a voice channel or a voice call in Discord. Speak normally, then press your new keybind. You should see the microphone icon change to show that you're muted. Press it again, and your mic should unmute. If it doesn't feel comfortable or it conflicts with a game, just go back into Keybinds, edit the same entry, and record a different key. Once everything feels right, you're done. You now have a quick and reliable way to toggle your microphone mute in Discord with a single keybind.